Hi all! Welcome friends everywhere! In this short form video, 23 minus 1 which equals 22 times 23 minus 1 which equals 22. Now we have this problem 22 times 22 which equals, but this answer is not correct because according to the order of operations we have to work on the parentheses first, then work on multiplication, and at last work on adding and subtraction. So first we do this subtraction, then this multiplication, and at last this subtraction. So we have first this parentheses 23 minus 1 22. So we have 23 minus 1 times 22. Now we have one subtraction and one multiplication. We must do this multiplication first, then this subtraction. So 1 times 22 which equals 22. So we have 23 minus 22. So 23 minus 22 which equals 1. And this is our final answer for this problem. Don't forget to like, subscribe and leave your thoughts below.